Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to prepare a vegetable broth like you've never made before. It's packed with incredible flavor, aroma, and a beautiful color thanks to sautéed onion and leek. Curious? Then keep watching. As always, you'll find the full list of ingredients in the description below. I start by peeling the vegetables. You can follow my proportions or create your own. Every broth will taste slightly different depending on the vegetable ratios you choose. More carrots will add sweetness, while more celery root will give a stronger earthy aroma. As you can see in the video, I've already begun peeling the vegetables. Today I'll be using carrots, parsley root, parsnip, celery root, celery stalks, leek and parsley leaves for my broth. You could also add mushrooms for an even deeper flavor, but I won't be using them this time. Let me know in the comments what vegetables you prefer for your broth. Technically, you could just add the halved onion straight into the broth, but today we'll be sautéing it to bring out more flavor and color. I also prepare a few cloves of garlic, which don't need to be peeled. They'll release their aroma just fine. I trim the leaves off the celery stalks as they aren't needed. All the vegetables should be washed thoroughly, especially those like leek, celery, and celery root, which can have a lot of dirt in the leaves and roots. You definitely don't want that in your broth. As I mentioned earlier, I'm cutting the onion and leek into smaller pieces so we can sauté them in a pan. To speed up the cooking process, I'm also chopping the rest of the vegetables into smaller chunks. It's not strictly necessary, but it can reduce the cooking time by up to an hour. In a pan, I melt butter with a bit of oil and toss in the chopped onion and leek, sautéing them until they turn a light golden color. In the meantime, I pour about 4 liters of water into a pot and add all the chopped and sautéed vegetables. Into the pot, I also toss parsley, garlic, allspice, black pepper, bay leaves, and salt. Now everything is ready for cooking. I place the pot on the stove and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, I turn the heat down to a low-medium setting, just enough to keep a gentle simmer with small bubbles rising from the bottom of the pot. I let the broth simmer for around 2 to 3 hours on low heat, filling the house with its wonderful aroma. Look at that gorgeous color. Trust me, it tastes amazing. When the broth is ready, it's crucial to strain it through a sieve. If you leave the vegetables in too long, they can turn bitter and ruin the broth's flavor. You can use this broth for risotto, as a base for various soups and much more. It will keep in the fridge for up to 5 days, or can be frozen in smaller portions for later use. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and have a great day.